What is up YouTube? Redrix here. I haven't done a vlog video or just a normal update video thingy for a while, especially vlogs and an update of what I've been doing throughout the week. Just turn down the music here. So at the moment my girlfriend is with my son out and buying groceries so we can fill up our refrigerator with foods, goods, and I'm actually cleaning our house. Here's the vacuum cleaner for proof. And I moved the couch. There's a lot of toys behind the couch. Holy smokes, that I didn't even know we had for our son. So yeah, I'ma just make some. I'll do like a speed up of this video, and you guys can just chill while I clean.
Need you more when you go. I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby don't lose control.
Woo! A lightsaber and some stuff. By the way, comment down below on what you've been doing throughout the week. Have you been playing games? Have you been getting some wins on Fortnite or Apex or whatever? Did you get a new rank in Tekken? Or did you like complete a new game? Final Fantasy? I don't know. Comment down below. Now let's get on with the cleaning.
When I miss you, no, I don't wanna be left alone.
Alright, let me just end this clip right now and then I will take you elsewhere. Alright, now we're going outside to clean up the mess from all the sand here. My son has this like sand bucks. I don't know what you call it in English, okay? No judgment. So yeah, where can I place the cam to make a speed up of this video? Hello. Whew. All right, now I'm in the upper floor, and that's my room. That's our bedroom, and this is my son's. Oh my God, too bright. And this is my son's bedroom. I'm just boop. I'm done vacuuming. I just need to wipe the desk and screens, and then I'm pretty much done. So what I've been doing throughout the week, I've been at work, and my son started a daycare again since the lockdown, and now they've opened slowly here in Denmark. I've been finishing Resident Evil 2. I'm at the last chapter of The Walking Dead. And I completed Resident Evil on Twitch, so if you want to follow me and watch me live, head over to Twitch. The link is in the description box down below. What else? To all the new supporters of the Redrix community coming from the How to Share a PS Plus account. Dude, you guys are on fire on the subscription button, man. I've gained like 300 new subs just because of that video. So thank you to each and every one of you if you're watching this video. And to those who don't know or can't even make that happen, I made a new tutorial on the latest how-to video in more details to show you guys how to actually do it or whatever. So head over to that video. Thank you guys for the support, okay? And I had an idea for a video here in my room. Now I've made two videos regarding my setup and a room tour, a gaming room tour. But I want to make an actual what's in my room. So like, I don't want to just show off my equipments and stuff. I'm gonna show you guys what's underneath my couch, what's in the cabinet, like what's actually in my room. What can we find? Some treasures maybe? Alright, so basically I've been cleaning the house now, and I will be done with this video. So it's going to be like a short vlog, I guess. Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for the massive support. I have a special occasion when we hit, hopefully when we hit 5,000 subscribers, and I hope that by the end of 2020, we will hit 300 followers on Twitch. So until then, I'll see you all again next time. Peace.